What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Jordan 1 Low Zion. Let's get into it. First, you're gonna start out with the box with your same normal Nike. Jordan 1 Low box. It's all black with the red Nike on top. Same on this side, same. But then we're gonna get to the front of the box and it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Z. And the colorway is flax, muslin, fauna brown. Hope I said it right. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, you got the same normal stamp of approval right here on top of the box. Cream tissue paper. That's it. Nothing spectacular going on with the box. But let's get into the main ingredient of this video. And that is the Air Jordan 1 Low Zion. These right here. That's all I can say. Man, Nike, Zion, y'all did y'all thing on these right here. These are very, very nice, different. Gives you those semi-Travis Scott vibes with everything that we got going on with this shoe. But overall, man, this is a nice shoe. A lot of different aspects, a lot of different things going on with this shoe. So let's go ahead and get into the different descriptions of the shoe. Just completely different in each and every way. Both shoes are completely different from each other. And that's just nice. So let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see, we got this nice, I'm gonna say this is like a suede material on top of the toe. You have these little crosses look like they're on top of the toe, embedded on the inside the top of the toe right here. I'm assuming that's little crosses or it's just little X's. Little small T, but I'm gonna go with this crosses just because we know what they call it, the name of the shoe. They're like a brownish stitching going throughout. We got this nice canvas right here on front of the toe of the shoe. It's I would say like a brownish looking color. Different. You got your little Nike chip right here on the side. It stitched in this brown. Coming all the way up to the shoelaces. As you can see, we had these nice rope shoelaces in like this sail colorway. Different. As we all know, these do come with extra laces. You got this gray canvas right here on the side. Green canvas coming up the side of the shoelaces. You got this nice suede, this tan suede right here in the background with this suede brown Nike check coming throughout the side of the shoe right here. Right here you got this nice green canvas and it has like some little stitching right there in gray. Flip it to the back. As you see, we got that upside down Air Jordan Wings logo right here on the back in this brown suede. We're gonna go ahead and flip it up because we know it's something under there. And under here we have Voodoo. Voodoo right here on the back of the shoe. Different. I love the way to just changing up different things. I'm not gonna get into the voodoo and what all that means. We all know what voodoo means, and we know why he put that on the shoe because he plays for the New Orleans Pelicans, and we know that's a thing that New Orleans has. Not getting into that. I don't really care about it, the name of it. A lot of people say they didn't want the shoe because of the name of it. I'm not into it. I like the shoe. That's why I got it for the mister. So let's go ahead and continue. We're gonna flip to this side, to the lateral side of the shoe. As you can see, you got the little voodoo band right here on the side. You got the X, and they got a little button right here, like a caramel button right here with this brown stitching coming throughout the symbol of this little symbol right here. You got that suede Nike check again, but then we had these little strips right here. It's like a brown string strips right here on the side. That nice tan suede right here on the side of the shoe. Also, here we got some more little strips right here connecting to this gray canvas right here on the side of the shoe. Just overall very nice. You got the Nike Air right here on top of the tongue, upside down in the brown and the cream. And then you had this nice suede in the background on the tongue. Just very nice touch to the shoe. Inside the shoe, on the midsole of the shoe, sorry, we got this nice sail midsole, and as you can see, the stitching throughout the sail is look like the green stitching. Flip it to the bottom, you got this all rubber bottom. That's this all wheat caramel colorway on the bottom of the shoe. Overall, very clean, very nice. Nice Jordan 1. Like, this is gonna be one of the top 5 Jordan 1s of the year. I mean, it gotta be. It's nowhere around that it shouldn't be. This is just a very nice shoe, very clean. My only complaint is, Nike, why did y'all start with a size 8? Come on now. Small feet gang over here. You could have started with a size 6, 6.5, I would have been good, but y'all started with an 8, so I wasn't able to cop these, but I did get them for the mister, and he was excited about them. I love them. They're different, so at least one of us have them. I know I can go on StockX and go get my size, but to me, I feel as though if they didn't come out with that size, then I don't feel as though maybe is it real? I mean, y'all let me know. Why does Nike start with bigger sizes when StockX and GOAT has the smaller sizes? Y'all let me know in the comments below, because I never understood that. Y'all let me know why, and let's keep on moving on. So this was the left shoe, but I did want to show you the insole on the left shoe. Insole has Voodoo right there, as you can see. You got the little skeleton symbol right there, that button, and it says Voodoo, all gray. Then you got the normal little inserts there, not that comfy, but you know, this is what we get. That was the left shoe. Let's get into the right shoe. Oh, and I'm sorry, I didn't show y'all. It did come with these extra laces right here. It's like a gray rope lace right here, extra laces, so not bad. I guess it's supposed to go with this, but I'm thinking keeping these cream. He should keep these creams in. I think they look better. What y'all think? Would you go with the gray laces or would you go with the cream laces? Y'all let me know which one y'all thinking, but I'm thinking these cream ones are the ones for it. Or even if they would have had some brown laces, that would have been nice too, but these creams are nice, brings it out. But let's go ahead and get into the other shoe. As you can see, you got the brown right here still on top of the tongue, and that suede with those little crosses. On the front of this toe, you got the green canvas coming across the front of the toe with that brown Nike shade, and I'm gonna hold them both up so you can see the difference. This one was green, this one was the caramel looking color. Going to the side, you still got that brown Nike check and that suede with those little stitchings. This one has the caramel stitching with the cream cell stitching right here on the side. I don't know what these symbols mean, so if you know, you let me know down in the comments below, because I don't know what they mean. Flipping to the side, you still got another little voodoo man right here, but this one has a green little button right here on the side. This one has the upside down Air Jordan logo in the green on the back of this one, and this one had, well, they both had green, so they didn't change that. But one was green, this symbol was green, and this symbol was gray. So that was the difference in the two shoes. We're gonna flip this one up, and this one has, under this one, it has Zion. If you can see that, try to pull that up some more so y'all can see it. But see, under this one says Zion, and then under the other one had Voodoo. So I'm gonna pull them both up so you can see both of them and see how they both look together. So you got Zion under one, and you have Voodoo under the other one. Nice, y'all. These shoes are nice in the quality. I mean, you can't, this quality is A1. Have no quality control issues with this shoe whatsoever. Everything is top notch on these. These were worth the $170 price range. These were really worth it. Really like them. And it's just a nice shoe. And this is Jordan 1 low. Like I said, Jordan 1 lows are in right now. That's my thing. I love lows. A lot of people like the highs, but me, I'm a low person. So these right here are it. Inside the sockliner on this one, you had that gray. It's like a suede, and that's nice. It's like a gray suede on the inside of the toe right here. I mean, on the inside of the ankle area. Coming back to the front of the tongue right here, you got the Nike Air in that brown, and then in that cream material. Then you got this nice suede, hairy suede right here coming across the bottom up. I mean, coming throughout the tongue of the shoe. Clean, y'all. Clean shoe. If you didn't go for these, I would recommend getting these in the aftermarket because these are nice. But if you caught them, y'all let me know what you think about them. If you like them, are you going to keep them? Are you going to try to sell them? What you going to do with them? Let me know down in the comment below. But overall, this is a very clean shoe. This is a Nike Jordan 1 Low Zion. Very nice shoe. Very clean shoe. Nice. Zion, you did your thing on your first Jordan 1 Low. You did your thing. I gotta give him props on that. So, yeah. These are both of them. I'm going to put them side by side so y'all can see the differences. And it's like flip-flop. Everything they did on one shoe, they flipped it and then put it on the other shoe. So that's what we're going with these. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these. Did you go for these Zion Jordan 1 Lows? Did you cop them or did you pass on them? Y'all let me know. That's all I got for y'all today. But if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.